What's going on, guys? It's the Throttle Coat here, and as you can see, there's nowhere else better to be than on this channel. We are on an exciting motorcycle adventure today. I'll be taking you to 5 different interesting places outside of London, in the Dorking area. I hope you guys like what we got in store for today. Please like, subscribe and share, and I hope you enjoy this video. You know, every amazing journey has to start with fuel, right? That's where we are right now. Welcome, guys. It's the Throttle Coat. We have an exciting one today. Right now, we're currently in South London, and we're headed out of London. I did some research, found a couple interesting places, or places I would think are interesting. So that's the motive. Got 5 destinations to go. We're gonna hit it. Should be good. I'm using Kalimoto. Can you imagine? I actually had to pay for Kalimoto. Basically, my Kalimoto trial expired today, and for me to do this route, which was planned on Kalimoto, yeah, I had to pay. So I hope it's worth it anyway. But yeah, let's go. Now that I think about it, I'm paying for Kalimoto. I definitely feel like they need to turn the volume up for the navigation in it, because it's just too low. If I want to pay $8.99 a week, I want to get my money's worth out of it, you know? So navigation sounds is alright when my bike ain't screaming, to be honest, innit? Like, when my bike ain't screaming, it's not too bad. You can hear it, you know what I mean? But when I'm like going down B roads and the bike is in its back, it's definitely hard to hear what the navigation is saying, innit? But I'd also say I just need another helmet, you know? I don't like this helmet that I've got isn't the best helmet. That's the truth. I have been looking at a Nolan helmet that I might want. Sunday today, man. Bus lane's open, boys. One of the reasons why I got a bike, why I fell in love with biking, is because of the scenery that you could, you know, that it gave you access to. It gave you freedom. It gives you freedom. I was lucky enough to actually start riding in Thailand, and while I was in Thailand, it was amazing. You know what I mean? Like, Thailand is just an amazing country itself, but then you've got the landscape and everything else. It was absolutely just amazing and freeing to be able to do whatever you wanted at whatever time, and for fairly cheap as well, you know. Now, since coming back to London, obviously I did my A, got my full license and whatnot, but I wanted to do a Wales trip. I didn't get to do that. Obviously, there's a lot of resources needed to go places in the UK. Beautiful, that. Yeah. Money is one of them. Like I said, in Thailand, it's not so expensive, so you can do it really for cheap. But yeah, I was just thinking to myself, I need to see a little bit more, you know. We've had a great summer. I utilised it, but I don't think I utilised it as well as I could have. So I guess the plan from here on is we've got to find the best places in the UK to ride to. You know, that's like the idea. The most interesting places, the places that you wouldn't know about. And I think we have that in store today. Look, we're going past Hogwarts. Yo, this is Dulwich College to the right. Private school. So guys, I hope you enjoy this ride. Please like, subscribe. Look at this, Lotus, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Kicking off in Croydon, eh? What the f are we doing here, man? We're on familiar roads right now. I actually did my full A test down this route over here. It was a nice route, to be honest. I can't complain. They did a hill start over here, so you come over here and do your hill start, etc. guys. This is where the roads start getting interesting. This is what I love about biking. This is the part I love about biking. But yeah, honestly, this is one of the reasons I got a bike, for just roads like this. Pause. So we're gonna slow down a little bit. The horse is don't want to freak out the horse. I don't know why she was saying slowly, like I wasn't going slow, but you know. But yeah, like these are the reasons that I got my bike. Freedom, country lanes, blasting down twisties, discovery. And I think we're in store for it today. Wow. Lovely road. Absolutely lovely road. Again, this is the best thing about having a bike. I love technical riding. This is it. This is absolutely what we dream of as bikers. I think so anyway. Would you agree? Yeah, this is what we live for, man. This is what we absolutely live for. Hills to the right of us, country lanes, twisties. Wow. I've been on this road, to be honest. I have been on this road. Ah, there's some cars over there. Wow, man. It's beautiful around here. I don't know if I could live around here, but it's absolutely beautiful. Just to have this on your doorstep as well, we're absolutely spoiled. You know what I mean? Like, spoiled. Imagine waking up in the morning and just looking out to those hills, you know? Like, you've got the whole... we've all got our idea of a nice morning, but I'm pretty sure this could fit into everybody's idea of a nice morning or afternoon or evening stroke. But again, look at these roads, man. Roads are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Now, I've been down this road before, so I do remember it. Very, very technical road, very enjoyable road. In fact, the last time there was a boat leading the way, it was absolutely amazing. felt like Islandman TT without as much danger, you know. We're not hitting them type of speeds, but you know what? Like, I think the reason why I enjoy twisties so much is, again, I mean, you probably enjoy twisties with every bike, but as you guys know, I ride a FZ6, a Phaser 6. A Phaser 6 is the engine is derived from the R6. So it's a high rhythm bike, a very, very high rhythm bike. There's no, like, the bike isn't chill. You can't cruise on the bike, and if you're cruising, you're in gear 6 and you're at 7k RPMs anyway just to go 70. So, I've been on the motorway with this bike. It's so not enjoyable because, you know, you're just holding the throttle down and it's just like, it's absolutely long. But when you're on twisties, with this bike, you get to experience the real fun thing about this bike. The revvy engine, the agility, the sports tourer. So it's like, I think it would be great for touring, but going only A roads and B roads. This is where this bike really shines. When you take it to the twisties and whatnot, that we got police. This is the first time I've ever seen, oh, that's not even police. Wow. But yeah, this is like the perfect situation to put your FZ6 in. Twisties. Anyway, our first stop is gonna be a beautiful pond. I feel like I can tell you that part now, you know. We're going to a pond. And then after that, we're actually going to we're going to a few different places. Like I said, it's gonna like very intriguing places that you wouldn't even assume was over here. Let me get past this guy. Yeah, so we're going to a pond, we're going to a beach. I know you guys might be thinking, what do you mean we're going to a beach? Yeah, we're going to a beach, and this is in the middle of the UK, in the middle of Guildford. You know what I'm saying? Like, this isn't a beach that's on the coast. This is a beach that's literally in the middle of land. You know, like, we look at the UK, or I look at the UK as quite a boring place. I don't think it's as entertaining as Thailand, you know, or other countries. But the truth is, it does have stuff to do, you know, so that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, man. I'm doing the exploring so you guys have something to do as well. Like an average speed road, man. That's great. If you could see through there, but absolutely stunning to the left. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, we're in the hills right now, guys, man. I hope this is your kind of adventure, because it's mine. Yeah, this is my average speed camera over here. No, I should have been blasting it right now. I should have been blasting through here. Nah, that's alright though. Sometimes just enjoy the ride. Sometimes it's not about speed. You know what I mean? Absolutely amazing. So I believe we're in the Dorking area, or somewhere near it. I saw Betchworth, but we're down south. We're just down south. We're south of London. And this is what happens when you leave London. Like, look at all the views you unlock. Absolute scenery. Amazing. Doesn't get better than this, man. I mean, it does, but as you can see, guys, I don't actually mount my phone to the motorcycle or to the handlebars. I don't mount my phone. I'm not opposed to it, but I also quite like it. But I feel like if you're really leaving the country or something like that, then it probably is a little bit better to have your phone mounted so you can actually see, as opposed to having to rely on sound only, because it is harder to rely on sound. But yeah, nothing interesting right now. Dorking Station to the left, I mean to the right. Dorking Station to the right. Beautiful bike over there as well, Ducati. I can't see which one it was. Looks like we've got an interesting section. Some technical riding coming up. I would say the hardest thing about this is not being able to see or know necessarily which way I'm going. Woo, a little jump. Like, I don't actually know. That's the best thing about navigation. It kind of shows you, alright, cool, corner coming up, maybe take it easier, but at the same time, it's doable. You can do it without navigation. You just got to be very locked in and focused. So that's what I'm trying to do right now, to stay locked in and focused. As you can see, we're actually climbing right now. Beautiful. Beautiful stretch of road. Perfect for the F26. Guys, just had to have a little karaoke session there. Back on the move again. Still heading to the first destination. Again, I think we're about 20 miles out from it. Woo! Absolutely beautiful roads. This is all I need, baby. Woo! Catch you off guard there, you know, if you ain't ready. I'm gonna slow down here because that looks like a jump. Oh, baby. Woo! Yeah, this is absolutely lovely. I ain't been on this road before. Still gotta be locked in though, man. Fucking hell, son. Yes. Absolutely smashing road. Absolutely smashing road. I think you guys definitely would work. Like, this is a must. I would say you gotta put this on your cards, you know. This road is probably one of the best roads I've been on in the UK. Going through the forest now, man. Yeah, you're all I need. Wow. India, you're all I need. This is absolutely beautiful. The whole video is just the whole video is just gonna be me saying, "Oh my God, guys, this is beautiful." But I'm being genuine, like, this is absolutely amazing. I don't know what else to say, like. The FaZe is handling it extremely well, without a doubt. And this is a moment, like I said, you see there? For instance, that's a place. You see how I didn't have navigation up? Like, I didn't know that turn was coming, you know what I mean? So you have to take it easy when you're going around these like country lanes if you ain't got nav up, you know? Absolutely beautiful road. How many times have I said beautiful in this in this video, guys? Maybe I'll put a beautiful counter up. Ah, it's the perfect weather as well right now. And guys, if you feel free to reach out as well if you ever wanna do something, go on an adventure with me. You're fully welcome. Absolutely stunning. Now you guys thought I was gonna say beautiful, but I got you there. Changed it to stunning. Casually just cutting through Guildford. Ooh, what a nice looking car that was. If you was to look around Denmark Road, that's South London, and so that's basically what my question is going to be. If you was to wake up randomly on this road and you looked around, would you know you wasn't in London? Just from looking at the houses, the road, like. Saw him a bit late. Gave him like the weirdest head nod. Like I was trying to hit a ball or something. Fucking hell, guys, are we seeing this? Oh, wow. This is is absolutely another reason why I like Kalimoto, because like it will lead you to B roads. Whereas Cardo, you don't get the option to kind of like, oh yeah, choose or describe your ride as, okay, let's just take B roads only. Wow, look at that. Oh my days. Woo! That was a tight corner. Yeah, these are B roads for sure. Wowzers, guys. Come on, bud. Where are we, bruv? Surely you need to be approaching man's destination. I've got to lock him over here as well. Oh my god. What the fuck was that? That is so fucking annoying. It's not that important. I guess I'm gonna just have to give up on it, I guess, innit? Like, it's not the end of the world though anyway, you know? Let's just carry on going. Oh wow. So you've got like some water to our right over here. Beautiful. I said it again. Wow though, this is lovely. This is lovely. Turn left, then turn left. Turn left where? Oh, here? Okay, I think we're here. Yeah, we are here, guys. So here we are. Oh, this is it. This is the reason why we travelled 50 miles outside of London. So yeah, I guess if you like trolls, you can come over here. But this is the reason why I came over here. As you can see, just total peace. It's my first time coming here. Might not be my last time coming here. Wow. Wow, boys, we're here, man. Look at this. Do you think this was worth it, guys? I totally think this was worth it. It looks like we have the whole surrounding to ourselves. I think you can see there's a lot of cars parked in the car park right now, so I'm guessing a lot of people are actually around. However, they've probably gone on little walks and stuff in it, so we've got this to ourselves. There's like ducks in the water. Nature. Nah, this is beautiful. Honestly, I don't know, like you just don't come across this often, innit, in the UK, and that's what the bike offers. Let me pose this question again. If you woke up in the middle of this location, no memory of the last few days, no memory of how you got here, would you think this was the UK? It's absolutely stunning. very scenic, very peaceful, serene. I think it's been worth it. I think it's like, we only traveled 50 miles to get here. It's not too bad. I got myself a Jubel, not sponsored by them guys. It's a nice beer though. Sun setting now, so I think it's time that we end this adventure right now. It's been beautiful riding, beautiful scenery. We're here at the Moat Pond. Probably come back here another day and finish the mission. But yeah, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and see you on the next adventure. This is Protocol approved. Peace. The blind light, we're going on the hill right now. Is this place that I'm at right now? I'm in some ruins or something. What type of hill is this? Low hill. Fucking hell. Right turn coming up. There's no way it's this right turning right here. Come me, bro. Come me, bro. Really? Bro, it's dark as shit. This is spooky still, I won't lie to you. Oh my god, this is spooky. Me, it's spooky. Dark as well, bro, mad dark. Big pothole there. Oh, the shit turning. Oh, where am I going? You gotta take it easier, because if you have an accident here, you're done for. 8 miles, bro. How long have I been on this? Where the f am I?